I went to a funeral today. The older you get, the more of these things kind of show up. Funerals are a different thing for you as you get older, as more life is behind you than is in front of you. He was a kind, gentle man who cared about his family first and hard work, and was committed to those things on a regular basis. And he left us too soon. He left us like over in a moment. He was there, in a moment he was gone. Get you thinking though, right? Get you thinking about what really is important, what you are doing each day that you put a lot of worry into, a lot of significance into. We do what we do every day. We live in judgment of ourselves and other people. We worry about whether or not we're going to make any money, or we're going to look a certain way or feel a certain way or get the things we want. And really, does any of that really matter? I mean, here we are, standing on this rock, trying to make significance of a bunch of stuff that really doesn't matter. I mean, goals aside, and goals are great, and money is a good thing, and being successful as a businessman is really important as well. But what about the last time you went and saw a little league team play with their friends? Right now, the only thing that matters to those kids is what's happening right now. The play, the whether or not they can make the bat hit the ball, whether or not they can run from one place to the other, learning the game, playing around. That's the only thing that matters. And the only thing that really does matter is right now, this moment. And we spend so much time every day worrying about what's going to happen and what did happen, that we forget that this is what matters. This walk that I do every day, or the air in my lungs, the people that I love, and those people that love me, the moments I get to have as I go through life. None of it has a right or a wrong, or a good or a bad. It just is. But the moment we start to look at our lives as a bad thing, or as not right, or it needs to be a certain thing, then we get to forget about the joy. It just goes away. There's no joy in the worry. There's no joy in the worry of what happened and what will happen, or who thinks of me a certain way, or what I think of other people. Joy's missing, man. And today I got my friend Dick to remind me that. It just can be over tomorrow. And then what? You spend your life worrying about everything, and you forget to take a breath and look around. This is what matters. I'm Bill. What do you think of this? How do you find your moments? How do you get present? Does any of this matter to you? Write your thoughts in the comments below, or send me a note. Until next time, I'm Bill, and I'll be here, right here. Bye.